Option selling for small traders. When I was new to options, I was only option buyer. Every time I used to buy only option, whether it is expiry day or non-expiry day. Despite knowing that option sellers have an edge over option buying. Option is like a ice cream. When you take out your ice cream from your refrigerator and keep it in room temperature, you know that over the period of time what happens, it melts, right? So same thing like options, if you buy out of the money options, it keeps melting, and on expiry day, at the time of expiry, if it is still staying out of the money option, then it will become zero. I knew all this when I was doing option buying, that option seller have a edge over option buying, but still I was doing option because of the two reasons. And the first reason is I was very scared of hearing that option selling have an unlimited risk, option sellers can make unlimited loss, and I was very scared of hearing that option selling have an unlimited risk. And the second reason is they would say that option selling is only for big players, small traders can't do it because option sellings you need a big margin to sell option. So these were two things were scaring me, because on one side I did not have big margin, on one side I did not have big trading capital. Same time I was very scared to hear that option sellers have unlimited loss. So these two things made me to stay away from option selling, until one day I came to know about one option selling strategy which you can sell option with a small capital and same time you can have a limited risk also. That means what they say that option seller have unlimited risk, in this strategy you can keep the risk only limited and also you can trade with a small capital. And it is true that option sellers have a edge or option buyers. That is why you know that from September onwards there will be everyday expiry. Earlier you know that expiry was only Thursday, then Fin Nifty expiry started on Tuesday, then mid cap and Sensex expiry started, and from September onwards we will have expiry from Monday to Friday. So why they are making expiry every day? Because expiry day is getting popular in India, option selling is getting popular. So first thing is that why I say that you should think about starting option selling also, because it is going to be everyday expiry from September onwards. From September onwards it is going to be everyday expiry, so that means it is good thing for option seller. And the second thing is most of the successful trader are option sellers. Go to any platform like Twitter, Facebook or any other platform, you will see that most of the successful traders are option sellers. No doubt there are successful option buyers also, but you will see that almost 90% of the successful trader are option sellers. Why they are doing option selling? Because they also know that option selling have an edge. And the most important is, in option selling you have two ways to make money. So this is the most important, why people are getting attracted to option sellers. Two ways to make money in option selling, and in option buying it has only one way to make money. Now let us discuss why I am saying that option selling you have two ways to make money, option buying only one way to make money. For example, you know that market can go only three directions, right? Market can go up, market can go down, and what is the third type? Market can stay sideways, right? So being an option seller, you can make money when market is going up, you can make money when market is going down, you can make money when market is staying sideways also. That is not possible in option buying, because option buying you will lose money if market stays sideways. So that means if you are bullish on a market, you buy a call option, if market goes up you make money in option buying, if market goes down you lose money in option buying, but if market stays sideways still you lose money. So that means, so if you are bullish you can buy call option and market has to go up. But in option selling if I sell puts instead of buying calls, if I sell puts, then I make profit here because my direction is right, I make loss here. Just like a call buyer, I also make loss if suddenly it goes down, but if it doesn't goes up, it stays sideways. Being an option seller, I also make money. Why I make money? Because of an important component which all option sellers will like, that is called theta. Like how you keep ice cream in the room temperature, it keeps getting melted, same way out of the money option, if it doesn't move, if it stays there, that also get melted and option sellers will make money because of the theta advantage. Now you got it, why you should think about also becoming option seller. So I'm not saying that option buying is bad. I also do option buying sometimes, but you have to do option buying only whenever you are very clear with the direction. That means you buy a call option here and immediately market has to go up, then only you should buy call option. That means there should be some breakout or strong support, and you know that from here market is going to go up because of the support, then yes, option buying you can do it. Second thing where you can do option buying, in scalping. In scalping you can do option buying. Why you can do scalping in option buying? Because scalping is just booking profit for a small movement, right? For a small movement in the price, you don't wait for hours together, just few seconds to few minutes. So time decay will not be much. So that is why scalping option buying is good. Okay, so that means you should do option buying whenever you are very confident with the big move or big direction in one trend. But one hard fact here, and the hard fact is you should know that 70% of the time market stays sideways. 70% of the time market stays sideways, and only 30% of the time market goes in a trend. So that means it is 70-30. Not exactly I am saying that, this is the approximate. That means most of the time market stays sideways. Only 30% of the time you can expect market to have a big move. So that is the fact. And now you know that why I was telling that option seller have a edge. Why I was telling you that you should also think about becoming option seller over the period of time, and that is what I am going to discuss in this video. In today's video I am going to discuss about one option selling strategy even for a beginner, even for a trader who want to become an option seller, because in this strategy you don't need a big capital, same time you can have a limited risk. That means you don't have to worry about unlimited risk in this strategy. And the cherry on top is it has a flexibility from stop loss, because you have seen many times that you take the trade, it comes down, take your stop loss and goes up, and you are out of that trade because your stop loss hit. But in this strategy you don't have to worry about your stop loss, because once you take the trade, even though it falls by another 500,000 points, still you don't have to worry because your loss is capped. So that is what this strategy is all about. And now let us go to my laptop and let us see what is that option selling strategy for a small trader.
First of all, let us see Bank Nifty today, 28th of July. Bank Nifty going in the strong downtrend, but it looks like it is taking support around this region, right? For the confirmation, let us go to daily time frame and let us see what's happening on daily time. When you go to daily time frame, you can see that Bank Nifty taking a strong support at the 20 MA. At the sloping 20 MA, Bank Nifty taking strong support. So when Bank Nifty is taking support 20 MA, so chances are higher that Bank Nifty can again bounce from this level, right? Currently, where is Bank Nifty trading? Bank Nifty trading around 45,360. So what is normally novice traders they do? When they are bullish, they go and buy call option. Now let us go to one of the option software and let us see what happens when you buy a call option. So best option software is Opstra. Opstra is one of the best option software, and this is the one I mostly use it for my trade. So I said you are bullish because Bank Nifty taking 20 MA, right? So now we'll go and see the long call option if we take it. Okay, let us see here. So you can see that 31st August expiry, one lot of taking a long call option would cost 755 rupees for a trader. And what is the maximum he can lose? Maximum he loses entire premium. Profit is unlimited in this. Look at this graph. You can see that loss is only this much. All right. Loss is only this much, but profit potential is unlimited. And that is what most of the traders, they get attracted unlimited profit in option buy. And second thing is that you need only 11,000 rupees to buy call option. All right. But you should also know that when you buy a call option, it has to start its momentum immediately after you buy a call option. If it starts moving sideways like that, then you will keep losing your premium, whatever you pay. All right. That is the one problem when buying call option. And the second biggest problem is, you know that when you buy a call options currently trading 755, You bought at 755 and maybe you kept stop loss at say 50 point stop loss. What is the 50 point stop loss? Around 725. All right. This is your stop loss. And market went up and suddenly came down, took your stop loss. Your stop loss hit, you're out from this trade. And after that, market kept going. Tell me how many times it happens. It happens most of the time, right? It is not that if you bought a call option at 755, doesn't mean that immediately it will go. It can go up, but it can do zigzag, it can come down, then it can go up, right? And you are out. That is the problem when you buy a call option. Now let us see, instead of buying call option, what you think you will sell put option. Here you can see that you paid 588 for the premiums, and how much is the maximum profit? While buying a call option, maximum profit was unlimited. It can go anywhere, but here maximum profit is capped. By going naked put, maximum profit is capped, but same time, can you see maximum loss? I was telling you that option selling have a unlimited loss, right? That is what the unlimited loss in naked option selling. Look at this graph. From this graph only you can see that on the upside, your profit is only this. If Bank Nifty doesn't go up from here, which we thought it will go up, but if it comes down like this, then do you know that what would be your maximum loss? Look at this red area. Look at this red area. It can go up to 40, 50, 60, 70. It can go anywhere. Okay. If you don't take your stop loss and if you don't close your position, it can go anywhere. So that is the problem in naked option selling. Loss can be unlimited, but profit is only limited. So what you have seen, buying naked call option, profit is unlimited, but loss is limited. But here, option selling, profit is limited, but loss is unlimited. But problem with pure option buying, what is the problem I said? If after you buy the call option, if Bank Nifty stays like this for long period, then your option premium keep eroding. Just like ice cream example I said, it keeps melting. If it doesn't goes up and if it stays sideways, you will lose by buying call option. And if it is expiry is new, right? That is the problem. And again, problem what I said, you bought a call option here, right? You bought a call option here and you kept your stop loss somewhere here, right? But every time market doesn't go after you buy a trade, right? It can go come here, take your stop loss, and then slowly then start going. So what happened? Your stop loss gone, but after that market started going in your direction. And you keep getting frustrated that you take the trade, your stop loss hits, and then market goes in your direction. So that is the problem. Now we will discuss about the strategy. And the strategy which I am going to discuss is this. The strategy which I am going to discuss is called bull put spread, which will give you limited loss, small capital, flexibility from stop loss. Like how I said, naked buying call option can come and take your stop loss and goes up. But here, that problem will not be there. And margin requirement also smaller. To sell one naked call option, put option, how much you have to pay? Only one lots if you want to sell, you have to pay 78,000 in Bank Nifty for selling put option. And if you are a trader with 1 lakh capital, just imagine, you can sell only one lot. You can't sell more than that because one lot itself costs 78,000 and your capital is 1 lakh, right? So that is what I said. Naked option selling margin requirement is very high. Now I'll tell you how you can reduce that margin by going for a bull put spread. So in bull put spread, what you do it, just like a naked option, you will sell one put and you buy one put option. Okay, now you can see that I deployed that bull put spread strategy where my margin will come down, my loss is limited, and I have a flexibility from stop loss. What I have done, I have shorted one put option. So I shorted 45,200 put option and I bought one lower option. I bought one 45,000 put option. Here I sold option and I collected premium of 532. Here I paid premium of 456. First thing I said, your margin will come down. When we have done the naked option selling, how much it was showing? It was showing around 76 or 78,000 for one lot. Here you can see that 15,000. There you could have traded with only one lot of Bank Nifty by naked option selling. Here you can trade with 6 lots of bull put spread because your margin has come down. And second thing I said, there in naked option selling, your maximum loss was unlimited, right? Undefined. Can you see here? How much is your maximum loss? Your maximum loss is only 1849 per lot. For example, if Bank Nifty come another 500 points, goes another 1000 points down, you know what will happen? Your loss will remain this one. Your loss will not become unlimited like naked option sell. So that means it get capped here. Can you see that this red line? It get capped here on the lower side. Even Bank Nifty goes another 1000, 2000 points. Unlike in naked option selling where risk can be unlimited, naked call option, what happens? Naked call option, market comes down, you kept your stop loss here, your stop loss was taken, and then market went, right? Here you know what happens. Here, since you have flexibility, and if Bank Nifty comes down here, yes, your loss will be within this one. Your loss will be within this whatever is showing, even whatever 500,000 point whatever. But suppose Bank Nifty comes back and start bouncing and start going like this, then you know that in naked call option you were out because your stop loss was hit. Here you have that flexibility. So that means you can stay in the trade for longer. And if finally Bank Nifty stays above 45,200 at the time of expiry day, if it stays at or above 45,200, then you will make this entire profit. With bull put spread, your margin comes down and your loss gets capped.
So with this strategy, next time when you want to do the option selling, instead of doing naked option selling, go for this kind of strategy because it will give you feel of option seller. That means you will realize that what actually option selling is. You will see that how near to expiry and theta day you can take advantage of sideways market. So this is what my advice to new traders who wants to become option sellers. Remember, this is not the only strategy. In option selling, there are many strategies. There are many complex strategies also. Whatever I discuss, bull put spread, this is the simple strategy among all. So master this strategy, then only you can think about going for complex option selling strategy. And the disclaimer here is, even though I discussed this strategy, but I prefer naked option selling. That means I sell option and I keep stop loss most of the time rather than going for this strategy, because the strategy which I discussed especially for beginners. And why I do naked option selling? Because when I do the naked option selling, it gives me better risk reward trade. When you go for this hedging strategy like bull put spread, limited loss but profit also limited. But naked option selling, risk reward is better. That is why I prefer naked option selling. And second thing is that with my experience in price action, I know that where I have to keep my stop loss and all this. So that is why I go for naked option selling. But a new trader, he doesn't know where to keep stop loss and he keeps stop loss at some random places. And he might see that his stop loss keep getting hit. So that is why for beginner traders, I recommend this strategy. And lastly, I want to discuss that option selling is not a holy grail. So don't be under impression that 90% of successful traders are option seller. Means option selling every time gives profit. Nothing like that. Most important is having a view on the market. Most important is having the direction of the market, whether it's going to go up, go down, or it stays sideways. So that is important. If you think that there is some strategy in option selling which never give loss, there is nothing like that. Every trade can give the loss, whether you are an option buyer or option seller. But in option selling, you can be slightly wrong, still you can make profit. That means if you take a bullish position, but it doesn't goes up, it stays sideways. In option buying, you can lose money. But option selling, still you can make money even though your direction is not right. And I said theta is the advantage for option seller, but there are other factors like delta, gamma and all this that is against option sellers. Option selling itself is a big subject. Start with this kind of strategy where limited profit but same time your risk also limited. So that's it guys about today's video about option selling for small traders. Let me know in the comment section how did you find this video, and if you are interested to learn more about day trading, if you want to know price action, I discussed 25 day trading strategy in Nifty Bank Nifty. You can check the link below this video in the description section. And if you are interested, you can join my upcoming webinar. Also, I have a scalping course called 1 minute scalping strategy in Nifty Bank Nifty. If you are interested, you can buy that course also. So that's it guys. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.